To resolve common issues with Trust Wallet login, follow this step-by-step guide. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet for storing and managing cryptocurrencies. But users often encounter login problems. The first issue is forgotten passwords or recovery phrases. If you have forgotten your password, try resetting it by tapping the Forgot Password option on the login screen. You will need to provide your email address or phone number associated with your account to receive a reset link. Another common issue is incorrect wallet addresses or account information. Double-check that you are using the correct wallet address and account details to avoid login errors. Also, ensure that your device's time and date settings are correct, as incorrect settings can cause login issues. Sometimes, login problems can be caused by outdated wallet software. Make sure your Trust Wallet app is up to date, as updates often include bug fixes and security patches. You can check for updates in your device's app store. If you are still having trouble, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Additionally, be cautious of phishing scams and fake login pages. Only access the Trust Wallet login page from the official website or mobile app to avoid providing your login credentials to scammers. Use strong and unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. If none of these steps resolve your login issue, you may need to contact Trust Wallet's customer support for further assistance. They can help you recover your account or provide more specific guidance. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can resolve common issues with Trust Wallet login and securely manage your cryptocurrency assets.